Hello, everyone. Thank you very much for 1,000 subscribers, Kwiation Engineering. So I'm really happy today. So I decided to make a video to say thank you for all of you. So actually, this YouTube channel I designed to give the knowledge for the aircraft maintenance students, and also the employees who already enrolled with aircraft maintenance as a mechanic or technicians, or else as well as the engineers. So I decided to share my knowledge. So I think this is the first YouTube channel who can which will teach about aircraft maintenance in deep, especially Airbus A320 family lessons. So actually I want to say thank you for all of you who subscribe my channel, and this is a good achievement for this channel, and it's also like a dream from me, and it's already come true. And don't worry, I will upload more videos in future, and actually these are very important for your knowledge. So as an aircraft technician, student, or as a mechanic, or as well as an aircraft engineer. So again, I want to say thank you. And if you still not subscribe Kwiation Engineering, please subscribe. And I hope I will get more subscribers. And I really like the people who share these videos. So actually this is a good knowledge for you guys. So about me, I'm Keshara Vikramasinghe. I'm currently employing as an aircraft technician in Vietnam. So actually, I love aircraft maintenance, so that's why I do this job. And meanwhile, I do this aircraft maintenance YouTube channel. So again, I want to say thank you for the people who behind this YouTube channel. And so many people help me, especially my family and my wife and my friends. So all right, and sorry, this is not a lesson. So in next week I will decide to make another lesson. So thank you very much, and see you on next video. Have a good day for all of you.